He's late again. Here we go.
Here we are, your coffee with extra foam just like you wanted.
Here we are at the top. The view is amazing.
What's the difference between here we are and here we go? Let's start with here we are. Here we are is something you say when you've reached a place. For example,
Here we are. This is the restaurant I was talking about.
we also use here we are when we present or hand something to someone. It's a friendly way to say here it is for you, or here's what you asked for. For example, here we are, all the papers you needed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more great content. And now, let's talk about here we go. Here we go is a phrase used to signal the start of something. It's like saying, let's begin, or we're starting now. For example, ready to watch the movie? Here we go. Let's reinforce what we've learned today with some more examples.
Here we are at the hotel. Let's check in.
Here we are, finally finished with the project.
Here we go. Let's begin the cleanup.
Here we go. It's time for a tough workout.
Here we go. It's our first concert.
I hope you found the video helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.